What's up guys? In this tutorial we will do skin retouching in Photoshop. Open image. Make copy of image. Image link is provided in description. From adjustment layer choose black and white. Follow settings. Then choose curves. Follow settings. Add new layer about image. Select healing brush tool. Follow above settings. Hide black and white layer. Use Alt plus click to choose sample. Then start brushing. Delete black and white layer. Press Alt, Ctrl, Shift plus E key to make merged layer. From blend mode select vivid light. Click on image layer and press Ctrl plus I. Convert it into smart object. Go to Filter and select Other. From that select High Pass. Follow settings. Again go to Filter. Now select Gaussian Blur. Follow settings. Add layer mask. Press Ctrl plus I to inverse it. Select brush tool and start brushing on facial portion. Make sure foreground color is white. Press Alt, Ctrl, Shift plus E key to make merged layer. To add more touch-up go to Filter. Select Filter Gallery. Choose Texture and follow settings. Add layer mask. Press Ctrl plus I. Select brush tool and start brushing on facial portion. Make sure foreground color is white. And boom, we are done. Try it out guys. If you guys like my content, subscribe to my channel.